On the 28th of November 1660, the Royal Society was founded at Gresham College by a group of notable natural philosophers. Welcome to HistoryPod. The Royal Society's origins lay in gatherings of scholars who'd met in Oxford and London during the 1640s and 1650s. Figures such as Robert Boyle, John Wallis and Christopher Wren met to advocate for the systematic experimentation and collaborative inquiry of fields such as mathematics, astronomy, physiology and mechanical philosophy. The Restoration in 1660 provided a stable political climate in which they could formalise their activities. On the evening of the 28th of November, following a lecture by Wren at Gresham College, 12 men agreed to form a College for the Promoting of Physico-Mathematical Experimental Learning. Their objective was to advance knowledge through observation, measurement and demonstration, rather than through speculative reasoning. The group soon expanded its membership and began regular meetings that included the presentation of experiments, the discussion of natural phenomena, and the evaluation of instruments. In July 1662, Charles II granted the organisation a charter, officially naming it the Royal Society of London. This established a president, council, and fellows, and provided a structure for publishing scientific discoveries. In 1665, the Society launched Philosophical Transactions, edited by Henry Oldenburg, which became the first continuously published scientific journal, allowing results to be communicated among scholars in England and across Europe. By providing an organised setting for experiment, publication and debate, the Royal Society therefore helped anchor the emerging scientific method and created a model that continues to influence scientific culture in Britain and beyond.